You like that, Sammy? My friend Debbie bought you that toy. Yes, she did. Are you going to share with Socks? You can't have both toys, though. You have to give one to Socks. You want it, Socks? Sammy, you have to share. Sammy wasn't sharing, huh, buddy? He wasn't sharing? Sammy, you have to share. Oh, gonna have a little tug of war going on. Okay. Okay, Debbie. As you can see, he likes his toy. Say thank you, Sammy. Sammy, can you say thank you? Say thank you, Sammy. I guess that's all the thanks you're getting.